In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Steam games with Apple Pay. Apple Pay isn't a native payment option on Steam, but there are two simple reliable workarounds that make checkout smooth. I'll walk you through both, starting with the recommended method using digital gift cards. Then the Apple Card virtual number option if you prefer to pay like a traditional credit card. First, the digital gift card route. Use a trusted site such as Start Select or Dundle to buy a Steam Wallet code with Apple Pay. Choose the Steam Wallet product for your account's region. Pick the amount you want to add and check out with Apple Pay. As soon as the payment clears, you'll receive a code by email. Keep that code handy. Now open the Steam website or the Steam app and log into your account. From there, go to redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Paste or carefully type the code you received, confirm, and the funds will be added to your Steam wallet. Once the balance appears, head to the game you want and complete the purchase using your Steam wallet funds at checkout. This method is fast, works consistently, and helps you control spending by loading exactly what you need. A quick tip: make sure the wallet code matches your Steam region and always buy from reputable sellers to avoid delays or invalid codes. If you prefer to pay like a standard card, you can use your Apple Card's virtual number. On your iPhone, open Apple Wallet, tap your Apple Card, and view your card information to see the virtual card number, expiration date, and security code. Keep this information secure on Steam. When you are ready to buy a game, choose the credit or debit card option at checkout and enter those Apple Card details. The purchase will process like any other card payment. If you run into a mismatch, double-check that the billing address you enter matches what's on your Apple Card, and that your region aligns with your Steam account settings. That's it. Thanks for watching.